is July 3rd, 2023. I cleaned up the grass that was all growing on mud that lay on top of the patio stones. So now I just have a whole bunch of muck and water coming towards the end of my edge of my pool, which I can't open this year because of all of the water that's coming down the hill. We have water coming down this point from one of our apple trees, which there was no water there when we first planted those apple trees. But as you can see, now it's a mucky mess. It's all very wet everywhere I step. Very splotchy. And here's the drain that Arthur set up. And the stream is flowing again. Lots of water. Flowing pretty good. Lots of water coming down the hill. And this area here just has a lot of water laying in a trench that we dug. And a bunch of water just sitting right in there. And this area over there and further over, it's all mucky and muddy. And there's the back fence, the tree, and the house above.